Okay, it's Mark from Landmark Financial Services Group. I hope this is it. I hope this is the last day. We have one more thing to talk about, and that's a brand new credit that's allowed as a part of the Inflation Reduction Act, and this is called the credit for previously owned clean vehicles. Okay, what does this say? This says that not only can you get a credit if you buy a brand new vehicle, but if you buy a previously owned electric vehicle or qualified vehicle from another person or another party, you still may be able to get a credit. So I'm going to read this so that I'm really clear on what it says. The qualified buyer who acquires and places in service a previously owned vehicle after 2022, you're allowed an income tax credit equal to the lesser of $4,000 or 30% of the buy price. Okay? However, it's income limited, just like when you buy a brand new vehicle. This is also income limited, and what it says is if you as the buyer, if your income, your adjusted gross income is $150,000 or above, you don't get to use the credit. If it's $112,500 for head of household, $75,000 for single filers, if your income is above those numbers, you will not be able to get the credit for buying a previously owned clean vehicle. To be considered a previously owned clean vehicle, the motor vehicle, the model year of the previously owned vehicle must be at least 2 years earlier than the calendar year in which the taxpayer acquires it. The model year has to be 2 years. That's what's considered a previously owned clean vehicle. Now, one last point here for those parents out there. Children who are or can be claimed as dependents by their parents are not qualified buyers. If your child is looking to buy a previously owned electric vehicle and they are still claimed as a dependent, or even if they're not claimed but they could be claimed as a dependent, they are not qualified buyers and will not be able to get that credit. Okay, I have filled you with 5 solid days of clean vehicle tax credits. I hope this helps in you making a decision on how to proceed with buying a new electric vehicle. And by all means, if you have any questions about this or anything, don't hesitate to call us. Reach out to us anytime, 978-984-5425, or look us up on the web at lmfsg.com. All right, thanks a lot.